morning, students. Welcome all of you in chapter number 4, that is quadratic equations. So recently we completed chapter number 3, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. So were having two methods for solving the question of chapter 3, graphical and algebraical. In algebraical we are having the three method. In the same way, if we check here quadratic equation, then here we are having again three methods. But before discussing the method, first we have to discuss the quadratic equation. That what is the meaning of quadratic equation? Any equation of the type ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is called quadratic equation. Here a, b, c, these are real numbers. This x is variable. A should not be equal to 0. This b and c can be 0. Suppose if b is 0, then this will become ax square plus c equal to 0. This is also quadratic because we have to see the highest power, means degree only. Suppose c is 0, then we are left with ax square plus bx equal to 0. This is also quadratic. So condition of quadratic is only this, that highest power should be 2. So ABC, these are real number, x is variable, a should not be equal to 0. Because suppose if a is equal to 0, then this value will become 0. So now highest power is 1. So if highest power is 1, that is linear equation. Like we study in chapter number 3, linear equation into variable is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is general form. Here highest power of x or y is 1. If highest power 1, linear. If highest power 2, then it is called the quadratic equation. So we have to keep in mind only this, that if highest power is 2, it is quadratic. If highest power is 1, it is linear. Now second basic point, methods for solving quadratic equation. As we were having three methods in linear equation: first substitution of algebraic method, first substitution, then second elimination, the most important method, and third is cross multiplication. Here also we are having three methods. Name of first method is by factorization. The other name of this is also splitting the middle term that we studied in 9th class. Second, by completing the square, and third is by quadratic formula. In second exercise 4.2 we will study this factorization method. In 4.3 we will study these two methods, completing the square and quadratic formula. So these two are basic points of this complete chapter. After this we have to study only this three formulae and this chapter will complete. So very small chapter, very easy chapter, and very scoring also. So quadratic equation, again I am revising the definition, where highest power is 2, or you can say degree is 2. How many methods we are having for solving quadratic equation? 3. First by factorization, second by completing the square, third by quadratic formula. Now come to the first exercise 4.1. In this exercise we are having two questions, question number 1, question number 2. But this second question is now not in syllabus because of coronavirus. The CBSE has reduced the syllabus, and in this chapter they have reduced all the word problems of chapter 4. All the word problem are deleted from the syllabus. So in 4.1 we will study only first question. We will left the second question. So first question, check whether the following are quadratic equation. Now here are 8 parts. We have to check one by one which are quadratic equation and which are not. So quadratic equation is that where highest power is 2, otherwise not. So let us take the first part. So x plus 1 square equal to 2x minus 3. This question is given. So 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Here we will apply the formula a plus b square. So a square means x square, b square means 1 square plus 2ab. So 2 into x into 1. X square as it is, 1 square is 1. This will become 2x, 2x minus 6. Now 2x will cancel. So x square plus 1, this minus 6 will become plus 6 on this side, equal to 0. X square plus 7 equal to 0. So after solving this equation, at last I get x square plus 7 equal to 0. So if I see here degree, degree is 2. If degree is 2, then I can say it is quadratic. So in all the part we have to check whether it is quadratic or not. Okay, let us discuss some more part. I take third part. Here double bracket, here is also double bracket. So I can write x, this bracket as it is, then minus 2, again this bracket as it is, then x, this bracket as it is, minus 1, this bracket again as it is. So x into x, x square, x into 1, x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. In the same way, we will multiply here. X into x, x square, x into 3, 3x, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. So x square will cancel. X minus 2x, this is minus x, minus 2 as it is. 3x minus x, this is 2x minus 3 as it is. So let us shift all values to the left hand side. So these two will remain as it is. This will become minus, this will become plus. So minus x minus 2x minus 3x minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. So after solving this equation, I get the equation where degree is 1. If degree is 1, it is not quadratic. So we have to solve this and we have to check whether degree is 2 or not. If degree is 2, it is quadratic, otherwise not. Let us take one more question. So here we can apply the formula a minus b square. So this value as it is here, x square plus 2 square minus 2 into x into 2. So this will remain as it is, x square as it is, 2 square is 4, this will become minus 4x. Now x square cancel. These two value as it is, these two shift on left hand side. So 3x plus 4x, 7x plus 1 minus 4 minus 3. Here you can check degree is 1. So if degree is 1, again this is not quadratic. So 8th part. Here you should remember this formula a minus b cube. This is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. So this value will remain as it is. Here we will apply this formula. So a is x and b is 2. So first x cube minus b cube means 2 cube. Then minus 3ab, so minus 3 into x into 2 bracket a minus b, so bracket x minus 2. This value again as it is, this is x cube minus as it is 2 cube is 8 minus as it is 3 into 2 6x, this bracket as it is. So x cube can cancel. So minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus 8 as it is. Now we will multiply, this will become minus 6x square, this will become 12x. So we will shift all values to the left hand side. So minus 4x square plus 6x square, this will become 2x square, minus x minus 12x minus 13x plus 1 plus 8 plus 9 equal to 0. So if you see here, highest power is 2, it means degree is 2. If degree is 2, then it is quadratic. So this question has 8 part. Out of this 8 part, I solved the 4 part. So remaining 4 part you have to solve yourself. I think there should be no problem in solving the remaining 4 parts. So tomorrow we will discuss first question of exercise 4.2.